Looks pretty. That's awesome to watch. As long as you don't touch it, it's nice. Trying to put some pressure on you. Right.
It goes high.
I'm sure it could probably go higher, but I wouldn't want to.
Oh, oh.